I would say, the mission of Beyond Limits is to bring better decision making wherever we can, and in particular in domains that bear on all the human lives that exist today on Earth.
I expected it to be tough, and I was right, it was tough.
Expected a lot of machine learning problems, some space exploration problems.
I expected to be doing a lot of busy work, but that's not what I got.
With a legacy of developing systems to keep spacecraft alive in really dynamic, complex, and admittedly harsh environments, we're not allowed to be purely black box. We had to explain what we were doing. Beyond Limits has a very different culture than a lot of conventional AI firms, and this is because we're not composed solely of AI people, and the Beyonders certainly reflect that philosophy.
I had really never worked with very, very technical people, specifically people who are literally rocket scientists.
Understanding the in-depth strategy as well as the business side of things has been like the best learning experience for me.
We all got to learn our limits and what to expect of ourselves.
Well, Beyonders came as we were building our recruitment strategy for the company.
Bringing in fresh talent, very innovative minds, people that would bring something special to the company and kind of the culture that we're building out right now.
Originally, we were only going to have 10 interns. It ended up being 21.
First day.
My first day was kind of a blur.
What did happen on our first day? Oh, I met my team, and we immediately hit it off. We went through some team building exercises where we had to draw a shield and talk about what makes a good team.
And explain where we come from, what our long-term goals are.
And how we want to be known when the project is over.
How many interns anywhere get to work on not one, but a swarm of live robots?
We had these tiny turtle bots, which were about yay big.
They would autonomously map the office
And snap pictures every now and then to see if it was looking at particular objects of interest.
I create a user interface to broadcast the map that our robots create.
I worked on the finance project, and I was a part of the strategy team.
Where we're trying to understand the industry landscape in terms of customers, competitors, potential collaborators.
Not only were they working on projects, we had external events with company members.
It was my first Dodgers game, so it was a great experience.
I enjoy the hot dog steer.
We had a bowling night. I missed the LAN party, unfortunately.
My favorite part was always the lunch and learn events.
I really loved the opportunity to go to the food bank and give back.
Something that struck me is how incredibly technical and knowledgeable the staff here was, but they were very approachable.
If a person, regardless of their position, needs to talk to someone at the management level, we definitely have an open door policy that enables them to do it.
I really learned that it's really all about teamwork.
We constantly challenged each other to succeed.
The amount of people that are willing to help you.
I've learned something new every single day, being surrounded by great, intelligent minds who are very passionate about what they're doing.
People here rock.
I am a Beyonder.
Yeah, I am a Beyonder.
I am a Beyonder.
I am a Beyonder.
I'm a Beyonder.